这场比赛风力非常的好，在博鳌这个地方，每年的3到5月份就是风季，南风季，然后天气也好，风也好，然后而且水比较清澈，非常就是适合我们风筝冲浪这项运动。随着越来越多的爱好者加入了这项运动，我觉得在不久的将来，可能这项运动会越来越繁荣，爱好者会越来越多，大家熟知这项运动的人也会越来越多。
Wing foiling has been exploding globally for the last 5 years, and the reason is that it's such a lightweight way to get into water sports. The wings are really light, they float in the air, really easy to rig, really easy to hold, and really fun. So yep, in the West, this sport has been growing very quickly in the last 5 years. Kite foil racing is already in the Olympics, which is awesome, and it's really leading the way for other foil sports, and wing foiling, I believe, has a good chance to get there as well, because it has the similar dynamic racing aspect to the kite foil racing, but wing foiling has a slightly broader market appeal. It's a bit easier and safer than kiting, and it also doesn't take up as much space, so it's easier to rig your wing foil gear. So yeah, I'm loving watching the Olympic kite foil athletes here, fighting it out to be in the China team. Super cool, and I believe wing foiling has a great pathway thanks to those athletes paving the way with the kite foiling. Wing foiling will be in the Olympics one day for sure.